Andrew F. Susko, Esquire, Partner, White & Williams, LLP. Immediate past president, Pennsylvania Bar Association. He was nominated for the Arthur Von Briesen Award by Charlie Gibbons, Board President, and Sam Milkus, Executive Director of the Pennsylvania Legal Aid Network. Andrew Susko is a partner in Philadelphia's White & Williams law firm and chairs its litigation department. He has a long-time commitment to the Philadelphia, the Pennsylvania, and the American Bar Associations, and just completed his term as president of Pennsylvania's bar. He was a delegate to the ABA's General Assembly Division and a member of the House of Delegates, where he co-authored the Report for Federal Judicial Pay Increase. He was selected as a super lawyer and has emerged super champion of equal justice, as demonstrated by his career-long commitment to access to legal services. Andy Susko is a deserving recipient of the Arthur Von Briesen Award, having made substantial volunteer contributions in support of the delivery of civil legal aid. He exemplifies, through his record of exceptional advocacy, leadership, and dedication, the very best the private bar has to offer to the cause of justice for all.
This is Chief Justice Ron Castile of the Pennsylvania Supreme Court. I want to provide my personal congratulations to Andy Susko. I really can't think of another person who deserves this award than Andy Susko for the tremendous amount of work that he has done as president of the Pennsylvania Bar Association in helping to provide legal services to the indigent in Pennsylvania. Andy Susko is the kind of person who not only talks the talk, but he walks the walk.
Andy Susko understands that lawyers play a pivotal role in our society, and that if the poor do not have lawyers, they do not have equal access to our system of justice. Andy devotes countless hours of his time as well as his influence in support of legal services for those who have nowhere else to turn.
Andy Susko has demonstrated strong, outstanding leadership to the client community. He has been a strong leader in trying to create more funding to help with client services. Andy has done many pro bono cases for many clients across the state of Pennsylvania.
In addition to the pro bono resolution, Andy worked to gain passage of 2 other resolutions, favoring increased state and federal funding for legal services and a civil right to counsel.
And not only has the Bar Association passed a resolution for increased federal and state funding for legal services, they've also passed what could be a watershed of outreach if it is actually passed, and that is the civil right to counsel in important cases where people are perhaps losing their homes or losing their children. It would be a watershed event if that is passed, and certainly that would add to the providing of important legal services to those individuals. And if civil right to counsel were passed or were to come to pass, that would be an important outreach to help the legal profession protect those individuals who are most vulnerable at a really vulnerable time of their lives.
Andy's advocacy on behalf of legal aid did not stop there. Having attended the ABA's Day on the Hill in 2007 and 2008, Andy recognized this incredibly successful opportunity to communicate with government leaders about concerns of the bar and the need for improved access. It was here that Andy visualized a stepped-up PBA Day on the Hill with an access to justice focus, and he made that a reality.
Today, lawyers from across the Commonwealth have joined together here in Harrisburg to bring to the General Assembly issues and concerns of the legal profession. Principal among the issues we will be addressing at PBA Day on the Hill is the accessibility of our justice system to hard-working, low-income Pennsylvanians. For nearly every person who is helped by a legal aid entity, one is turned away. Our justice system is only as fair as it is accessible to all. A justice system that only is available to those that have means undermines the integrity, the legitimacy, and the fundamental fairness of that system. Every day, legal aid lawyers, as you heard Senator Greenleaf state, work at levels where their individual compensation is less than private lawyers. And every day, private attorneys volunteer their time. But even with that effort, there is a huge need. And so today, I'm so proud of the legal community and those standing behind me and the nearly 200 lawyers that are rallying today on the Hill to communicate to their legislators issues of concern to the profession and to call on the legislature to approve increased state funding for legal services. Thank you all very much.
Day in and day out, Andy Susko has been a true champion for expanded access to legal services and a justice system that is fair and open to all. He personifies excellence in our profession and in support of civil legal aid, and is a most deserving recipient of the Arthur Von Briesen Award.